Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special day for Indian Hot Wheels collectors because after I think a long time, I'm not really sure how long, but at least 6 to 8 months later, I'm reviewing a Hot Wheels card art premium set. Hot Wheels Silver Series this is called, and you already know which one I'm talking about. This is the BMW set. I've already posted a short video of this so that you guys get an idea. Finally, I had the opportunity to hold this in my hands and show it to you guys in detail. How exactly does this look? What are the details? How's the color scheme and all of it, and how Hot Wheels has progressed over the years. I've got a few old also card art premium BMWs with me right now, which are couple of them are common in this set, one is not, but still you'll get an idea how Hot Wheels has progressed. Now coming on to more concerning news, I have been flooded with comments about how this set is not available anywhere, people are hoarding and all of it. So folks, I have always requested it to you guys that if that is a serious problem, then as a collector the least you can do about it is avoid as much as possible, because what happens is that once you are buying them at the jacked up prices, then you are encouraging them to hoard it more so that they can make more profit out of it. Being a creator, of course, it is sad, and you might have seen that I've got a lot of castings which are simply not there in my collection because I refused to pay a jacked up price for those and I did not get them. In fact, recently I was at the meet in Odisha and people were laughing at me because I do not have a mini GT Rexy in my collection, and that is one of the classic scenarios where that happened, that I missed the car and then it was being sold at such high prices in the secondary market that I could not get it. So while it is an important issue and we must deal with it, also another thing I noticed that a few people, they have posted a comment that, you know what, if influencers create videos, then that drives the hype and all of it. So see, the thing is that already this is a developing hobby in this country and you know it's just getting started. You look at the biggest creators globally, you've got Lamley, you've got MOD from different countries. They are creating the videos which are driving the global hype and still I don't see anyone complaining about it. So if someone is devoting their time and energy to create clean content, you know, I understand if people choose not to support, that is totally their call. Even in fact in my videos I never ask people to like, subscribe or whatever, you know, we keep it simple, we just show you the cars. If you like it, well and good. If you find value in this page, then please stay connected, otherwise it's okay, there is no pressure as such. Having said that, when people start, you know, talking about these negative things, sure, maybe a little bit of demand has gone up, but at the end of the day it should be a positive thing, right? That the more people they are getting interested, the more the car should sell and the more Mattel should have an incentive to bring their cars to India. So try to look at it positively. This will just be my humble request, because at the end of the day, anyone who's doing this at this scale, they are investing a lot of their time and energy in it. Any feedback, that is always appreciated, but blaming someone so blatantly for something which is totally out of my control, I don't think it's very fair. Let's talk about the card art first, then I'll show you the cars in detail. This is the card art. Over here Hot Wheels has given that new logo which says Hot Wheels Silver Series, and rest I really like this. Over here on the side you've got the BMW text in all of the cards. The back of the card is this proper brown cardboard, and over here you can see the names of the cars written serially. The cars in this set are actually amazing. This is BMW M1 to BMW M5, so that is very nice. It has got all the BIS certification details and also the MRP, which is 299, so that is a good thing that still in 2025 these are available for 299 rupees. Month of import, which is very important, that is 325, which is March 2025 this was imported. Now the cars in this M1 to M5, very nice. I've shown you pretty much the basics. Now another thing why I say that we are very lucky to get this set is this is one of the best sets globally. So while I made the last video in which I criticized and also requested Hot Wheels to give us the good stuff, I think we should appreciate that yes, this is one of the best sets out there. So thank you very much for bringing it to our shores, but also I think it will be good to see some kind of control which Mattel shows that yes, this is evenly distributed and everyone gets a chance to collect it. These are made in Indonesia. Now let's just have a look one by one. The first car in the set is this beautiful BMW M1 in orange color, and Hot Wheels has made this after a long time. It's really good to see that they have made it. I really like the paint in this. It is very nice, bright wheels. They are cool and retro, and also they've got that typical silver lining on them. Now let's have a look here. we talk about the front details in this car, they might not be the most prominent, but they are very good by BMW M1 standards, because that is how the car's face actually is, and they have replicated it very well. I really like the minuscule kidney grille which it has, very cool. Top angle also very well done, all the necessary details, and also the black and orange, it's a nice combination. Let's talk about the rear. The rear is actually very nice, and it's got a lot of good details, the tail lamp detailing. Talking about the base is grey in color, and it looks like a plastic base. I've got my scale nearby, so at the end of this video we'll weigh all those cars. Now we'll go serially. So the second car in this is the BMW M2, and the color of this is very nice and unique. This is this lime kind of color. It's a very fluorescent color, very bright. And also what you notice here is that in this, the wheels, they do not really have that silver streak or anything which you see in the other cars from this set. All the other cars in this set, the wheels they have got a bit of silver lining. This one does not. Let's talk about the front details. Front details are very good, 10 on 10. Now, if you remember, I was telling you that I have kept a couple of old ones to show it to you guys. So this is a police one which I have got from the year. This is 2020. If you can look right here, this is 2020. This is from the police car. So this is the police car, BMW M2, the same car. But what I really want to show you guys is the difference, that look at the front detailing in this. I understand that this has got the police decal and all of it, but still you look at the front detailing, it is absolutely zero. Now suddenly when you keep this car side by side, the new one, it looks so nice, bright and beautiful with some great details. Similar story at the rear also is very nicely detailed in this. I absolutely love it. Very good details, the tail lamps and all. Even the mainline BMW M2, if you remember, it used to have some great detailing. The number plate area, the BMW logo, it's very nice. And then I show you the old one which did not have any detailing as such back then. Let's have a look at the base. The base is very nice and plain. It's black in color. Not too many details there. Another cool thing which I like in this one is that it's got some rear view mirror detailing, which is pretty cool. And also on the windshield you've got the M Performance sticker. Third car from the set is this BMW M3 in white. It's a beautiful car, very nicely done. It's the 1992 BMW M3, is the E30, one of the most iconic cars by BMW of all time, and the color is also pretty cool. Traditional color, it's called Alpine white with the M stripes. This is something similar. I mean, Hot Wheels obviously it does not write the color and all, so but it looks something like that spec. Wheels also in this, they are good, and again the silver thing is back. We get those silver accents on the wheels. Now let's talk about the front. The tiny kidney grille, super classy. The headlamps, the quad headlamps, very well detailed. Also the hood, it has got a bit of black in it, so the white and black, it's a nice contrast. And finally at the rear also, the wing is well detailed. We've got some good tail lamp detailing. Exhaust detailing is also there, just a little bit. Number plate area is very well detailed. BMW badge and M3 badge, all of it is there, and it looks good. Fourth car is this one. This is the BMW M4, and again I've got a car kept here to show you that how Hot Wheels has developed. If you look at these side by side, this is from 2018, this one. So that time also the price was 199, so price wise only 100 rupee difference. From the side, probably not too many differences. Both of them have got side decals. The difference really comes when you look at it from the front. You look at the front details, the headlamps and the grille, it's been so nicely done, very well detailed. And then when you look at this one, it just does not feel, forget about complete, it does not even feel satisfactory. It is so plain, so bland. So back when Hot Wheels was not detailing the card art premiums, that was a really bad phase. And this is a live example that no matter how pretty the card art is, the car's detailings, it used to be very average. Really happy to see that times have changed. Now let's have a look at the rear. The rear also, it's very well done. The detailing is good. We've got the BMW badge and also the tail lamp detailing, which is very well done. The base is black in color, and in case I had forgotten to show you this one, the BMW M3, that also has a black base. And the BMW M4 from this one, the GT set from 2018, you look at the rear detailing and then you look at the rear detailing of the new one, the new BMW Silver Series set, and you will realize how much these have developed. Final car from this set, so we've already seen the M1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's time for BMW M5. Now this is one of the most iconic BMW M5s of all time. This is the 2001 BMW M5, and the color is also a very classy one. It's the silver color, just a little bit of decals on the side and black wheels with that silver accent, so it looks good. We'll come on to the front. The front details are something which are definitely worth appreciating. This also has the mirror detailing, which is a good touch. The rear view mirror detailing. Front details, the grille and the Headlamps, very well done. Also like that yellow detail which they have added in the headlamps. And finally when we come on to the rear is also very well done. The rear details are on another level altogether. The tail lamps are very well detailed. The number plate area, it says M5E39. So that is the M5 which this was. This is the E39 M5. And you've also got the quad exhaust detailing. Base is very nice and well detailed in this also. Now I'll quickly just turn on my scale and we'll weigh all of these, and then you can decide if you like these or not. So of course we'll start off with the BMW M1. We'll go serially. Now this is a BMW M1. For your reference, this is close to 46 grams. 46 grams. Then we've got the BMW M2. Also very similar, this is 47, so just a gram heavier than the M1. Now to make things interesting, what we'll do is we'll compare this with the last BMW M2 which we saw, which came out in 2020. This was also a Card Art Premium. We'll just see if there has been any improvement or deterioration in quality, or it is exactly the same. So we have to appreciate the consistency and the accuracy which they maintain. Literally it is identical. 47 is where the scale keeps coming to, so that is identical to what we last saw. Now we'll come on to the BMW M3 from the new set. But this is a heavier one. You can easily see that this is almost 6 to 7 grams heavier than the last two cars which we have seen. Then we come on to the BMW M4. Once again we are back to the 40s, the high 40s. This is 46.4, and we'll just quickly compare it to the 2018 casting, see if there is a difference. Just a little bit, almost 1 gram. The scale is acting a little weird today, but yes, there is a bit of a gap. Maybe a gram or so, not really sure why, but you can see that in front of your eyes. Final one for today, this is the BMW M5. Now I'll be honest with you, I think this should be heavier than the rest, because this feels very heavy to hold it in your hand. And maybe the base is also metal. I'm not really sure, this is just a wild guess. Let's check, verify. Looks like my guess is on point, because 60 grams is a lot. And for reference, I had shown you the Cool Combi and the other couple of castings yesterday. So the castings which have got a metal base, they are somewhere in this territory. So yes, almost 61 grams. It looks like this one has a metal base. And to confirm, I'll just show you. I believe this car should be similar in size, right? So it's a little bigger, but we'll get an idea. So yes, this is a Red Pig Hot Wheels Premium, and the car itself is 61 grams. Now you have to realize that if I keep this in its card, then it will cross 70-80 grams, because the premiums, they get a big card laminated and all of it. But the mainline cards, the Silver Series cards, they are very plain cardboard, and the blister is also not so thick. So yes, I have a feeling that this might be having a metal base. Anyway guys, so this is the set, the highly anticipated BMW set. This is not even launched in many of the foreign countries. A lot of my friends from abroad, when I posted this, they told me that, can you please send me pictures of this? I want to share it in my Facebook group and all. So yes, it's good to see that we have got this set and we have got it before the rest of the world. And that makes sense also, because the proximity India has to all the countries which are manufacturing these, we should be getting the best of the stuff earliest. But you guys know how the present situation is. Anyway, as of now, how did you find this set? I mean, there is not really too much to not like about it, unless and until you hate BMWs, you're more of a Merc or Audi guy, or I'm not really sure. But yes, if you like BMWs, then this is the set to have. That is all I'll say. I am thrilled to add this to my collection. It's such a beautiful set. The card art is amazing, the cars are amazing, and the fact that they did it serially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am obsessed with that, because even if a guy is new into collection, until yesterday he does not have any BMW car, suddenly he has 5 of the best BMW M cars. That is one thing which I value a lot. Let me know your opinions on this. How's the availability? Do you have any news? Is this now coming a little more freely into the market? Because this is one of the earlier sets. I am personally hoping that it comes in good quantities and slowly it gets released and it's available easily everywhere. Let's see what happens. For now, how did you find it? Which one was your favorite? Let me know all of it in the comments. Thanks for watching.